Start by identifying your perfect client, their industry, pain points, goals, and where they hang out online. This clarity guides your entire strategy. Create a professional website with clear services, testimonials, and a strong call to action. Be active on platforms your target clients use. Publish content that solves problems your audience cares about. Blog posts, videos, reels, infographics. Position yourself as an expert. Run targeted Facebook, Instagram, or Google ads to drive traffic to your lead magnet, something valuable that captures emails. Once you have leads, nurture them through automated emails. Provide value, share case studies, and offer your services at the right time. Show client results through testimonials, reviews, and case studies. Trust builds conversions. Use CRM tools to track leads, follow up consistently, and schedule discovery calls. Build relationships, not just sales.